काशीनाथ शेटये आणि विजय सरदेसाय मदीं सेटलमेंटा विशीं उलोवप जाल्लें म्हूण दावो करून ॲडव्होकेट आयरिशान फातोड्डे पुलीस स्टेशनान कंप्लेंट केल्ली. पुलिसांनी F.I.R करूंक ना म्हूण तो कोर्टान गेल्लो. कोर्ट म्हणटा मंत्र्याचेर F.I.R सरकाराची मान्यताय जाय.
District Court has today rejected my application on the ground that I had not obtained sanction from the government to register an F.I.R against Vijay Sardesai and others. So in view of this order, I think in public interest, I will immediately move the Honorable Bombay High Court, because you cannot expect a government to give a sanction to prosecute its own minister. So this point would have to be settled by the Honorable Bombay High Court, because the complaint against Vijay Sardesai is very serious. In fact, Vijay Sardesai has not denied that conversation is not his. So the police ought to have investigated this, because the entire conversation has been given to the Fatorda Police Station. It's in the conversation between Vijay Sardesai and Kashinath Shetye. Kashinath Shetye alleges that he was offered a bribe of 1.25 crore by Manohar Parrikar, and Vijay Sardesai in that conversation tries to persuade Kashinath Shetye to withdraw a petition that he had filed in the High Court. Now the police have to investigate every case. They cannot be picking and choosing which case to investigate and which case to hush up. We have seen in the past the manner in which they have taken extra interest in certain cases to investigate certain cases, and the manner in which they are also trying to close other cases.
आयरिश म्हणटा मंत्रीच सरकाराचो. सरकार F.I.R खंयची मान्यताय दितलो? विजय म्हणटा केस फेक आनी एक्टिविजमूय फेक. आपलो वावर कोणूच आवडोंक शकना.
Character assassination or trying to fix me will not deter me from taking Goa forward. I am working here in the government with a certain timeline, with certain clear ideology. And the progress and development that is being ushered in, there are hurdles being sought to be brought in. Like we inaugurated the Fatorda Police Station. Certain sections of the media were saying that why is it required? And itle begin te kashe jane काय? Inaugurate जाता थंय हा पयले दिसा केसूच म्हणजे. So what was this? He was trying to trivialize an achievement. Our achievement, he wanted to trivialize and wanted to sensationalize this by going to the courts asking for framing of an F.I.R. Now the courts have given him an answer. What is the answer? That there is no scope to sensationalize. There is no scope to trivialize somebody's achievement.
Bureau Report, Prudent.